safely past the frogs, this female has reached a suitable plant on which to lay her eggs. But she has to place them underwater if they're to survive. For the first time, her wings seem to be a hindrance, but in fact they help her yet again by trapping a silvery layer of air which enables her to breathe. She cuts into a plant stem and deposits her eggs inside. Now her wings are going to be truly tested. If she can't break through the water surface, she will drown. Her day has been a complete success. Damselflies seldom venture beyond their home stream, but some insects fly huge distances. September, on the shores of Lake Erie in southern Canada, a monarch butterfly is fueling up on nectar. A chill gust of northerly air. It's time to leave. The coming winter will be so cold it would kill her. She has never flown more than a few hundred meters